Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer CRM data to Airtable with automation. Easy tutorial, step by step, clearly. Open Airtable and create a new base. Name your base according to the project or data you will be transferring. Next, navigate to your CRM system and export the data you wish to transfer. Save this data in a compatible format such as CSV or Excel. Now, return to your Airtable base. Click on the Add a Table button to create a new table. Choose the correct column types that match your CRM data. For example, if your CRM has a date field, select the date type in Airtable. With your table set up, locate the Add Records option. Click on Import Data and select the exported file from your CRM. Follow the prompts to map your columns correctly. Ensure that all fields align with your Airtable table structure. After confirming the mapping, start the import. Once the data appears in Airtable, review it for any discrepancies. Now, to set up your automation, go to the Automations tab. Click Create an Automation to start building your workflow. Choose a trigger based on your needs, such as when a record is created. Next, select an action that will process the data as you prefer. You can choose to send notifications, update records, or integrate with other tools. Test the automation to ensure it works correctly. Make any necessary adjustments based on the test results. Finally, activate your automation to begin using it in real time. Your CRM data is now integrated into Airtable with automation in place. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.